here at Tommy Rockers. What's your name, sir? Marcelino, very nice to meet you. Marcelino, have you ever found yourself in a situation where it felt like beating the odds was impossible? And yet here you are. You made it. We all did. We made it through. What if I could guarantee that you could beat the odds by sheer force of will? Be pretty impressive, right? You see, here is a Joker. The Joker is not important. It's actually what I've written on the back of the Joker. He's just a player in our game, okay? We'll get back to that. In the meantime, I'd like to tell you a couple of true stories, okay? Now, in the early 1900s, there was a young girl that was stricken with polio. She was put in an iron lung, Marcelino. That's an 800-pound metal tube. Despite those limitations, she graduated as valedictorian of her high school class and earned 2 college degrees. That's a true story. Then there was an islander. He was stricken with cancer. His doctor said, "Sir, you have 6 months to live." Not only did he outlive all of his diagnosing doctors, but he lived another 40 years past the point of diagnosis. That's a true story. So you tell me, is that statistics or is that the will to live?
Will to live.
We're about to find out. All right? Put your hand like this for me. I'm going to give the Joker. I want you to keep it face up like so. And in a moment, I'm going to ask you to slide it into the deck face up in the right place. Now, you don't know what that means. You have no context. So you can't be influenced by facts or statistics. It's just whatever your heart tells you feels right. All right? Go for it. All right. Now, life forces us to adapt, to improvise, to overcome. Marcelino, would you like to adapt to your situation, or are you happy with the path your life is on?
I'm happy with that.
Okay, now look, I am not going to change the position of the Joker. All right? Now, keep in mind, you could have placed that Joker lower down in the deck, or you could have put it higher. Now, it looks like it's just a little past halfway, but the only way to really know is to count all the cards above it. Is that fair to say? All right. The table's a little sticky. Look, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That puts the Joker in the 31st position. Is that fair to say? Now that number, Marcelino, 31, that doesn't mean anything to you, does it? It's just a number, right? It's a statistic, it's a fact. But it means something to me. You remember what I told you about the Joker?
Yes.
It's not about the Joker, it's what?
What's on the other side?
That's right. Remember I said I could guarantee that you could beat the odds? You may have noticed this is a guarantee Joker. And you beat the odds, my friend.
31, oh my God.